Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling JP International. This is Carla. Can I have your name, please?
Hi, Carla. I'm Athena.
Hello, Athena. How are you today, and how can I assist?
I am really frustrated right now. I'm calling because I ordered an item last Monday from your store. I expedited it to 2-day shipping just to make sure that I'll be receiving the item on or before Thursday. It's a birthday present tomorrow. Listen, y'all. I paid for expedited shipping, but I'm not receiving the item for 3 days already. I need someone who can help and explain this to me.
I
No,
understand
you're not. You know what's funny? It was tracked as delivered yesterday. I looked everywhere in the house. Nowhere to be found. I don't know what y'all are doing. What I'm certain is this is a scam. If you can handle this, let me just talk with the supervisor.
I am really sorry to hear if you haven't received your item for a special event. Also, if it was tracked as delivered, although not yet received. I do understand your frustration right now for this inconvenience. But no worries. Rest assured that this company isn't a scam and I can definitely help you.
Okay, let's see.
Alright, for security purposes, can you have your complete name, please?
It's Athena Summer.
Thank you. Can I also have the email address associated with your account?
It's Athena561 at yahoo.com.
Okay, thank you. How about the last four digits of the order number?
Okay, I think it's 2341? 2341.
Got it. So those were man's sneaker shoes and an iPhone. 1 second. Let me check the details for a while. Based on the information here, it was delivered and received. To verify, could you tell me the shipping address you wanted to ship the parcel?
Oh, you're wasting my time. It's in Wilmington, North Carolina.
Based on the record here, it seems that the parcel was delivered to the wrong address.
Oh, this is terrible. I have to request for a refund and wait to be processed. The worst part is I have to reorder and expedite it without assurance of having the item tomorrow. Horrible.
Oh, I understand where you're coming from, Athena. To compensate, I can process a replacement and expedite it into same-day shipping. You don't have to pay for the shipment, by the way. You just have to wait. I'll get back to you and notify you once the package shipped out. I'll be tracking the package and I will check with the carrier just to make sure that it will be delivered in the correct address and within a day. Would that work for you?
Oh, that's very kind of you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. I've successfully processed the replacement and sent you the confirmation regarding this call as your reference. Expect to receive the products within a day.
Oh my gosh, wow, you're amazing. I really apologize for what I said earlier.
It's okay. I understand. I would feel the same way if I am in your situation. Thank you for your patience, by the way, Athena. Anything else that I can help?
No, you're doing great. Everything is fine. I'm really feeling good right now.
That's good to hear. I'm glad to help you. For other concerns, feel free to visit our help pages. Thank you for calling JP International. Have a nice day.
Okay, you as well. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.